Hello everyone, I am here with a journal share. This one is a Nick the Booksmith inspired scholar ledger book. It is early in the morning and I can't think. That's what it is. 8.5. I'd say by 5 almost. This paper was just in my stash. I don't even know. It was just a single sheet that I had. I think. I'm not sure. But it has 5 signatures in there. And I super duper love it. It's like, I love the size. It just fits in my hands good. I like it. This one inside, excuse me. Okay, we'll start right here. Made this little pocket out of the new paper that Trina sent to me. Not my cousin Trina, my friend Trina. And I just added this little stamp thing so you can put it in here as a pocket or make a journaling card out of it. And this is the cover that it was in. I just think it's super cool. It's fragile, so it's like old Staples. It's super, super fragile, so I didn't want to do anything with it. But you can cut this off and back it with paper or journal in it or whatever you want to do with it. So I stuck that in there. And these are some really super old oh my goodness, papers. I don't know. I can't think this morning. Sorry. But they're super old and they were actually in the journal, but when I sewed it, I pulled the strings tight and it just pretty much cut them right off. So I decided to just go ahead and put them in here anyways, and you can take some washi and washi them together and then put them in your signature or make a little booklet out of it. Do whatever you want to do with it, but they're like ancient. So I thought you might enjoy that. And in here, I didn't put like a ton of pockets or anything, so it's mostly journaling, and most everything is like paper clipped in, I guess. Except for the little people. I have a ton of little people, so I thought I would use them as tuck spots in this journal. And so there that little guy is. And then I just put extra ephemera in here that you can put in here and put pictures behind or just do whatever you want to do with it. Because I have a ton of ephemera laying around here that I've had cut out, you know. So that's what I did with that. And I also have those Tim Holtz sayings or whatever they are, these little things. And I don't hardly ever use them. And I have like, I don't know, 5 booklets of these things. So I chose to put some of those in here. And I did some stamping. So you'll see a few of those throughout the book. And everything is coffee dyed. And this is a wallpaper envelope, and inside it, I put some more Tim Holtz people and some Etsy, Pinterest. I got these two off Pinterest, and then these 2 are Tim Holtz. So you can put them throughout your book wherever you want to. And this envelope, I just barely missed it right there, so this end is... It's not going to go anywhere. I'm pulling pretty good on it, but this end is not underneath that thread, which really bummed me out. But I'm not going to take it out, even though it bugs me, because it might not bug someone else, because it's not going to go anywhere. So I just left it alone. Leave it alone, Paula. And I used some Tim Holtz washi throughout here. I tried to use some stuff that I haven't been using in a long time in this book. I got another book going on over here too, so I'm going to try to do the same thing. And this one is Old Design Shop, and I just sewed it to some coffee dyed paper. and used her as a little tuck spot. Some old music paper, and this is just a Tim Holtz flower ephemera I just stuck on there. And over here is just a index card, coffee dyed index card, with a Tim Holtz ticket and a little other price tag thingy-majing that I have. And that's the first signature, and then there's some washi tape. And some Tim Holtz people, and a tag I made, and a repair tag. See, there's one right there. It didn't get chopped off, and it's very fragile, so I just barely turned the page so it don't break. Next time I use anything fragile, it will be washi taped in the middle, so I don't chop it off. And I used a waxed thread that I got off Amazon to sew this together instead of my normal thread. Just doing something different. And in here I also put some eyelash trim. This got some more things that you can decorate this book with, like the eyelash trim, some burlap, some cheesecloth, and a piece of green fabric that I thought would go really good with this journal. You can put toppers on your paper clips or on your tags that you put in your book or whatever you want. So I just thought that was a good little addition to the book. And I tried to add things that you would want to decorate this book with, or I would, one of the two. I would decorate it with. And this is just a guest check and a little ticket that I slid behind her, sewn on coffee dyed paper. Flip out. And big flip out. And a little tuck spot. Some tags I made with some Tim Holtz stamps. Another little flip. And here is a photo from the old design shop. And then this is a tag that I had in my stash, and I just backed it with coffee dyed paper. I love this paper. Ah, I bent it. Oh my goodness. Why? Good thing it's wallpaper because it bends right back. And in here is a whole bunch more like a little booklet, a little Tim Holtz dog, some children off of Pinterest. They're so cute. I have a whole shoebox full of them though. And a little hand and another little traveling dude. Guy. Kid. Child. Whatever. And this is some Tim Holtz ephemera. Tucked behind him. Old design shop, and another little tag I made. Some tickets, some coffee dyed tickets that you can decorate with. And this is out of, oh no, this was from the old design shop. It's a dictionary of gardening from, I think she said 1978, I think. Oh, I can't remember, but it's super old. And just a bag, which I got from Trina. I love this bag. It's so cool. Love those bags. And over here, that is a tuck spot, but this was kind of chunky that I put behind here, so I put the paper clip on there. is another little bag of goodies to decorate the book with. See if I can get it out of there. There we go. And we got some Tim Holtz ephemera here. Get in there. The kitty wants out. Some rub-ons that I've had for a while. You can put any old where. You can cut these up into different pieces, of course, and put them wherever you want. And a little book plate for the front of the book. And you can put whatever you want to put on it, in it, or whatever. You can just put it here and put the whatever you want it to say inside it before you glue it down, of course. And a stamp, another little stamp, and a butterfly, flowers, and this is from Nick the Booksmith. And I just put all of this in there, tucked it behind them, and there you go. You got a bunch of stuff to decorate your journal with. Okay. And over here is a little floating pocket that my cousin Trina sent me, or made me. And I just stuck it in here, and you can put whatever you want inside. The other side of that bag, and I just added this little tiny bit of, because I always have to have something to open it with, so I added this little bit of stuff, and then there's just some coffee dyed paper inside to journal on. Some more little clipped on ephemera, a couple butterflies, and then this little journaling card. You can put them wherever you want to put them. The other side of that really old gardening book that I got from the old design shop. And back here, another little pocket with this book belongs to, and some more extra paper to journal on, and a old card with 3 different kinds of washi on it. And this says Seattle and Spokane right there. Seattle and Spokane. I'm near Seattle. I thought that was super cool. I didn't even know I had this card. I'm like, nice. So I put the washi on it and stuck that in there. I'm not real near Seattle. I'm like 2 hours away from Seattle, but yeah. That is one of my latest Nick the Booksmith inspired scholar ledger, I think she calls them, book. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. This one is available. If you are interested, please PM me. I will put my Facebook and Bloom and Sticks page below. You can get me on either one of those. And I will give you the info on this little awesome book. Thank you so much, and I will be having the drawing for the winner in a few days. Have a great day for my 4,000 subby giveaway. And if you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. I will try to figure out how to link it below, but if you just go to my channel, it'll be there. So have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.